Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I am coming to you guys from my sister's house, and today we are going to be starting a part 1 of her pantry organization. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we are working on renovating her home, and today we are starting with the first 2 levels of her pantry. This is what it looks like. And we are also going to be using my Cricut Explorer 3 to help label all of the beautiful containers. But first, when I got there, she was cooking, so I had to share this live clip. She is making some curry chicken with some rice. Ooh. Look at the food. Oh my, yummy. Smells so good. Okay, so I am standing right here in her pantry, and we are going to be organizing this level and this level. What we also want to do is to put this is actually like a peel and stick backsplash on the wall here to create like a nice accent. So this one is our next project, but we want to start with organizing the first 2 levels here. So I'll be using my Cricut Explorer 3 to label all the containers, and we can get this organized today. So I'm excited. Okay, so I have everything laid out. So now I'm gonna get on my design space and try to create some labels to get this all organized. Okay, so it's time to create some beautiful labels to go on the containers that I'll show you guys in a little bit. So I got on my Cricut design space, and they are sponsoring this portion of the video, and I love using Cricut for all of my home projects. So I got on there, and they do have templates that are already pre-made. I found several, and you can actually customize it to the color that fits your aesthetic. And of course, I asked my sister for her opinion in terms of what color she wanted, and we just let the Explorer do its magic. I love that the possibilities with the Cricut Explorer 3 are endless for home projects, decorating, and I can't wait to share more with you guys with my sister's project. Today we are doing part 1, and then we're going to have a part 2. So here's a transfer tape that's also from Cricut that we're using to transfer the vinyl to the containers. And here are some of the containers that we are using today. We've already started putting the goods into the container, and next we are adding the labels to the container. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. What I really love about these containers is that it is airtight, it is glass, and it is clear so we can see what's inside of it. So next I am going to be placing them on the 2 shelves that I showed you guys earlier to get them organized. You're dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best. So this is what her pantry looks like. She wanted it to be beautiful and organized, but then she also wanted it to be very functional, which we can definitely merge all of that together. So I started with the glass containers with the goods in it and the labels, of course, and then at the end of that I put the plastic ones, which are the heavier goods like the rice, the oats, and then at the very top we have the bigger containers for the pasta and the tea. And this is just the part 1 of this organization, and I added some of her appliances that she can't have in the kitchen here for storage. And this is what the 2 upper level of her pantry looks like. It looks beautifully organized, I think. And it looks functional as well. I love these containers. I love that they're glass. I love that it's clear. And I love that all the containers are labeled. I love it. It just makes it even more beautiful. So if you've never used the Cricut Explorer 3, I will leave a link for you down in the description box to go ahead and check it out. The possibilities of what you can do with it is endless, and I think it turned out to be very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me if you're not already, and don't forget to hit that like button if you really enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.